few simple stretches. So we bend the right knee, bring the right foot close to the inner side of the left thigh. Arms over the head. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward, grab your left foot or left shin bone. We just hold it here for a few moments. Inhale, come to the center. Chest will face the right knee. Right arm is reaching over the head, direction left foot, side bend. Stretching the right obliques. We're not gonna hold it here long, we're just at the beginning of the practice. Inhale, come to the center. And exhale, right hand behind the right hip, somewhere in line with the left leg. We're going to push through the right knee, from the left heel, lift the hips into baby wild thing pose. Left arm reaches over the head, pushing the hips forward. Beautiful. Inhale. Exhale, lower down the hips, sit down. Switch the legs, right leg straight, left foot touches the inner right thigh. Janu Shirshasana, arms over the head, inhale. Exhale. We're not going to hold it here long, just waking up the body. Nice and easy stretches. Also, after the pranayama, it's good to move the energy a little bit in the body. And a few stretches. Inhale, come to the center. And exhale, the chest is going to face the left knee. Side bend. Left arm reaches over the head. Direction right foot. Stretching the left obliques. Inhale, come to the center. Exhale, left hand on the mat behind the left hip, in line with the right leg. So we're gonna push with the left shin bone, left knee, right heel. Yes, go for it, girl. Lift the hips. A small walking pose, looking really nice. Inhaling and exhaling, lower down the hips. Extend the legs forward, take down. So far, good. You guys think we can increase a little bit the intensity? Okay, so we'll find the patterns on the sitting bones and we lean a little bit back, squeezing the knees together. Support the back of the knees with the hands as we lean back. First, we align the spine, so we lift the chest, we roll the shoulders back and down. And then you're ready to sail as a beautiful boat. I would say more like a yacht. Squeezing the knees together, we will engage the pelvic floor a bit more. And as we are here very stable, we can free the arms and even extend them over the head. Don't fall down. Nice. Steady breath. Inhale and exhale. Bring the knees closer to the chest. And maybe you will reach to grab your big toes, so from the outer side of the legs. And then we push the feet forward and up. Still the spine is aligned. I want to see the straight spine. Don't fall down with me. And extend the leg just as much as your spine allows you. So if you notice you're rounding the spine, then we don't want straight legs. But if your spine is straight, you keep on pushing as much as it can go. Nice, breathe. Beautiful. Inhale. And exhale, begin to bend the knees a little bit more. Release the arms from the side of the legs. Open the feet a little bit, hip width apart, and bring them close to your hips on the mat. Bring the hands behind the back, approx 1 forearm distance. Fingers pointing behind you. And we move to reverse tabletop pose. Hips will come up, forward, and more up. If it's too early for your shoulders to go all the way into this stretch, then you will not lift the hips that much. So as much as your shoulders and your chest allow you, push through the feet, through the hands, and lift the chest up. Inhale, exhale with control. You're going to come down, sitting, and give yourself a big hug. We come back for second round. Hands behind the hips. Hips will come 1 centimeter up, then we push them forward, then we go up. The feet here are active, so you want to feel your toes spreading and grabbing the mat. This is your foundation. This will help connect to the pelvic floor, lift a little bit higher. Once your feet are active, bring the weight of the body a little bit more to the left on the left hand and both feet, and then the right arm will be free to come forward, up and over the head as we lift the chest and we lift the hips a bit more. The left shoulder blade is retracted, so it's moving towards the spine. Steady breath. The left hand is active. The base of the palm, the base of the fingers is grounded. Inhale. And exhale with control. We come down, sitting. Oh, nice. Awake. Good. And give yourself a big hug for a moment for a sleep. And wake up again. Good morning, girls. The other side. Hands behind the hips. Fingers pointing back. Focus here. Take a moment to spread the fingers to grab the mat. And hips will come 1 centimeter up, forward, and all the way up. Both feet are active. We lean to the right side. So push to the right hand and both feet. And then left arm goes forward, up, over the head. Beautiful. Keep on lifting the hips higher. Now you have a lot of space. Steady breath. Right shoulder blade is retracted, moving close to the spine. Beautiful. Inhale. With control, exhale, calm down. Both hands on the mat. Give yourself a big hug. Just for one deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Come back. Legs straight forward for Paschimottanasana. Sitting bones are on the mat, grounded, long spine. Lift the heart, arms up. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward from the hips. Let's do our best first with a straight spine. As much as we can reach forward. So think about length. Instead of going down, think about lengthening forward. There is the pizza in front of you or the cake. I'm thinking about pizza. So there I hold an invisible pizza and someone is pulling it away from me. This always works. Yes. Good. We can make the posture more active by flexing the ankles. So look at your feet. Flex the ankles and imagine with your both feet you are pushing invisible wall. So your feet are flexed, so the ankles are flexed, feet are active. Now inhale again, exhale. Allow that pizza, the person who is pulling the pizza away from you, to almost take it, and then relax, throw it, fall down into your forefoot. Inhale.